Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we will be looking at the stay round vacancy details for JSS deemed university at Mysore. The stay vacancy round for JSS Mysore will be happening on 12th January 2021. This is the same date on which AIMS is also conducting the stray vacancy round. The Manipal colleges are also conducting the counseling on the same date. BLDE Bijapur is also conducting the counseling on the same date. So, a lot of colleges are conducting the counseling simultaneously on 12th January 2021. So, you as a candidate have to choose which college you want to follow. Because if you go to one college, you won't be able to follow up with other college. So, you need to make the correct choice and go to the college where you believe you can get a seat. The number of seats vacant at JSS Mysore for MBBS, there are 3 seats are vacant. Now, when you should report on 12th January at 10 a.m. The reporting venue is JSS Medical College, JSS Medical Institution Campus, SS Nagar, Mysore. The registration will start at 10:30 a.m. and the registration will close at 11 a.m. Only half an hour. The registration window is open. So make sure that you are at the college by 10 a.m. And once the registration closes, then the counseling will start from 11 a.m. Take note, the physical presence of the candidate at the counseling is mandatory. This is not an online counseling. You have to be physically present there to do the spot counseling. So the candidate should be present. Only the candidate and one parent will be allowed into the counseling hall. The candidates will have to submit their original certificates and also pay the prescribed tuition fees before 2 p.m. of the date of counseling. So candidates shall make all prior arrangements to transfer the fee through RTGS, NEFT, online transfer, or net banking. The bank account details are provided, so better check with your bank manager how to do the NEFT on that particular day. This is the list of documents that you need to produce. The original documents. Again, I am stressing you need to go to the counseling only with original documents. Those who don't bring the original documents will not be eligible for counseling. Once you visit JSS Medical College, there will be an attendance register. Make sure that you sign the attendance register to mark your presence. And then candidates will be called according to the rank for document verification, and successful candidates whose document verification is completed will be allotted seats. Such candidates should submit their original documents and pay the first year fees. The college will not entertain any requests for extension regarding fee payment. So don't expect any lenience. Okay, make sure that you have the original certificates and you are also ready to pay the first year fees immediately. If you need hostel facility, of course, after the admission, you can go and see the hostel warden. What is the fees for JSS Mysore? The tuition fee per annum is 13.5 lakhs. For the first year, you need to pay 1.25 lakhs additionally. So at the time of admission, you will be paying 14.75 lakhs to the college. Please take note, part payment or payment in installment is not permitted. Non-payment of the first year fees will result in instantaneous cancellation of the seat. The hostel fees for male, it is 1.75 lakhs. For female, it is about 1.49 lakhs. This is per annum. You need to pay the first year hostel fees at the time of admission. And then you need to follow all rules and regulations related to COVID restrictions. And you must download the Arogya Setu app. Make sure that before you go to the college, download this. All the candidates and parents should compulsorily wear masks. So that's all. That's the information I wanted to share. So if you are interested in JSS Mysore, make sure that you go to Mysore at the given address on 12th January before 10 a.m. My best wishes to you. Bye bye.